I've had a lot of questions on some of my crochet videos about turning, so I just want to show you guys. But let's start from the beginning. Once you've got your slip hook on your, or your slip knot on your hook, you're going to chain, which means you're going to take the yarn, pull it over your hook, and then grab that yarn and pull it through the loop that's on your hook. And that's all you do to chain. You just grab, pull the yarn over your hook and grab and pull it through that loop. And I'm not going to count because I'm not making any certain pattern. So you're working this direction. In order to turn to come back this direction, which is how you build your work, you just kind of turn the work towards you. So then you take your hook and you stick it through this loop. And then again, pull the yarn over the hook. Take the hook to pull the yarn through that. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab your yarn, pull it through those 2 loops, and that's a single crochet. And you just do that all the way back across. This very first row is always kind of the hardest because you're working it back into that foundation chain. The rows afterwards do get easier. We're almost back to the beginning. That's why I didn't do but so many chains. You're back to that last one. Alright, so now you're at the end of the row again. It says chain 1 and turn. You literally just chain 1. And then again, now this work is going this way, but you want to work back across. So you just like basically almost like flip it over. Insert your hook in that top chain, that top stitch. People call it different things. And go again with whatever crochet you're doing, whether it's single crochet, double crochet, whatever. Okay. And then just back across. And that last chain again, or that last stitch. Chain 1, and then basically just flip the work and then go into this. You don't go into the chain stitch, but that last crochet stitch. And then your work just builds like that. So that's what I mean by turning. Hopefully this helps somebody. If you have more questions, by all means, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to respond, either with words or video.